freedom come. Hey, yes, man. Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back if you are not a first time visitor to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, I am posting this reading on August 1, Emancipation Day. Now, me remember the days them, when it's like we never did want to talk about it. Maybe we never even did want to think about it. And so we used to, on Emancipation Day, instead of talking about how our ancestors, our father them, and mother them too, of course, did get set free from the British. The British people them did say them no own we no more. August 1. But listen, we never used to talk about that. We used to replace it with talking about how Jesus Christ set we free from sin. Now hear this. The two of them important for we talk about. So we need to talk about the two of them. What good it would have do if we get set free, save with life in the natural, and it not save in the spiritual. Because remember, the natural man I got dead. But the spirit will live forever. Think about it. And by the way, while you're thinking about it, if you want more people to hear God talking in the Jamaican language, then do us a favor, click the like button, leave a comment on this video, and share it with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because when you click that bell, you will get notified every time a new video is posted. 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today, I'm going to read from the Paul letter to the Galatians, them, chapter 4, verse 21 to chapter 5, verse 1. And it tell we say, we are not slave to the law again. Tell me something. All of you we want to follow the law and make it control you. We do not understand what the law I say. Cause he right down say Abraham did have 2 boy pitney. One of them mother I did one slave, but the next one mother did free. The boy when mother a slave born just like how any other baby born, and him mother get him same like how other mother get baby. Nothing never special about him. But the boy when mother did free, him did special. Him born cause God did promise Abraham say him and Sarah would have one pitney. No, we can take what happened with Abraham 2 boy and use it to show the 2 promise them where God make. The first promise have to do with the law where God gave Moses up on Mount Sinai. That promise here are like Hagar. Just like how fear picked a slave, a same so the people them were part of that promise here, a slave too. So now Hagar turned for Mount Sinai where they in Arabia. She come in like Jerusalem in at them time. Yeah? Cause same like how Agar and her picnic I did slave. I same so the people them will live at Jerusalem as slave to the law. But the other woman, she turn for the new Jerusalem. We are go there in heaven. She free. And as she our mother, so we free too. Cause it right down in a God word say, woman we can't have baby. When nana picnic, uno fear sing praise. You will never feel baby pain yet. Jump up and sing and shout. Cause the woman when nana body, she a go have more picnic than the woman we have husband. So brother and sister, seem like how Isaac born, cause of that God the promise Abraham. I same so we a God picnic, cause of that God the promise. Abraham boy picnic Ishmael did born like how any other picnic born. But Isaac did born sake of God spirit. And same like how Ishmael did cause Isaac fi suffer. As same so we are God picnic as suffer now. But what God would say? It say, run the slave woman and her picnic, cause fear her picnic can never get where the father a go left for the free woman and fear her picnic. So brother and sister, we are not the slave woman picnic, but the free woman picnic. God free we so that we wouldn't have to follow the law. So turn up strong and no make nothing or nobody take you turn you back in a slave. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.